Well, good late evening, YouTubers, friends, and family from across the world. This is Mike with your Morning Dew, daily events worldwide. And we're on April 21st, 2019. Welcome to another surviving day. Welcome to a busy sun as that departing sunspot blasted off quite a CME. Wow, this is on the Lascaux 2 image. Thank God that was not Earth facing. Happy Easter, everybody, and welcome back to Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. I've had a few days off, some well-deserved days off. Really needed to rest my head and regenerate. There's a lot going on in our world, and it's almost overwhelming at times. And sometimes we just need to get grounded again and recharge. So here's Meteor Mike with your 5-day forecast, brought to you by Meteor Earth. Looking across North America, and we're going to see the same conditions, which is Tornado Alley, extreme weather conditions, and we're still seeing the cold air persisting. Very large low pressure center creating winter storm conditions all across Alaska right now. And watching that storm, will be riding down the Pacific Ocean and into BC later in the week. So watch for a large rain event coming, maybe some spring rain. All depends on these temperatures. But when you see a lot of light blue here coming in, makes you wonder, is spring really here? You know, I predicted that spring wouldn't be here until May. And here in Alberta, we're finally seeing the warm temperatures this week. We're going to be reaching 19 degrees. That was a look at our new North Pole. Just thought I'd let you know. It's drifted so much. Also watching a large tropical development in the Indian Ocean later in the week. Most likely a cyclone heading maybe to northwest Australia. We also have a tropical depression forming just over Madagascar, heading west into Mayotte. So Mayotte will be experiencing a tropical depression in the coming days. South America, lots of daytime heating, evaporation. Extreme heat conditions as well in Peru. And Atlantic provinces, they're just getting drenched. Low pressure after low pressure slamming the Atlantic provinces this year. So Nova Scotia especially, they're on evacuation orders in some areas due to these mass flooding conditions. Not much is really changing in our atmosphere right now. But watch for that transition into summertime. We're going to see some extreme weather events really kicking up across Europe. Spring-like conditions. Large low coming in later in the week. And let's look at earthquakes. Most recent here, a 3.1 at the geysers, as well a 2.5 and a 3.1 Grand Canyon, Arizona. Grand Canyon. Very, very interesting seven wonder, or one of the seven wonders of the world. Largest earthquake the last 24 hours is a 5.4 down here in Fiji at a 10-kilometer depth, 52 kilometers south of there. But watch for these other earthquakes, 4.8. Watch how deep this is, 616 kilometers deep. Doi Island, Fiji, as well as this Tonga region, 4.6 at a 200-kilometer depth. So watching reverberation go straight up the western parts of the Ring of Fire. 4.9 ringing off Indonesia, but a deep earthquake here, 4.4 in Russia. 457-kilometer depth. So watch for volcano activity in Kamchatka as things are shaking over there. Across South America, we had a 5.0 in Argentina, 4.9 in San Javier, Chile, as well as 4.8 in Peru. And this little earthquake swarm in the Caribbean. I want to thank you all for watching today. This has been Mike with your Morning Dew Daily Events Worldwide. And again, I apologize, but sometimes we just need some time off. God bless you all. Much love to you all, and thank you for watching today. Stay aware and prepared, stay young and have fun, and get your morning dew. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends and family across the world.